Good day. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, I am Joji Ekal Enrico. I'm 29 years old. I live in Raporapo, Albay.
And your marital status?
I am single.
Do you have any kids?
I don't have.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 4 siblings and I am the eldest.
Tell me your educational background.
I am a graduate of Bachelor in Elementary Education.
Do you have work experience abroad?
I don't have, but I have experience taking care of kids because I am the one who takes care of my siblings. I also do household chores.
How would you describe yourself?
I can describe myself as kind, honest, and trustworthy.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, I have. Here.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No.
Why do you want to go abroad?
Because I want to help my family financially.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I actually have a dog in my apartment.
Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them in a nice way, and if needed, I will sing and dance with them.
Okay, thank you. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I promise and assure you that I will be a good worker and I will be trustworthy and I will abide your rules as long as it is safe.
Thank you.
Thank you.